Hello, today I'm bringing you our like-new Avaya 9608G IP phone. The 9608G is compatible with the Avaya Communications Manager 3.1.4 or later, the Avaya IP Office 6.1 or higher on an IP500 or IP500 v2 control unit, and lastly the Avaya Communications Manager 6.0 with the Avaya RS Session Manager 6.0. Included with the 9608G, you will receive a handset, a base, a new IP cable, along with a new handset cord. To give our customers the confidence and satisfaction in us and our products, we include a 1-year warranty on all of our like-new desktop phones. Be sure to check us out at atlasphones.com, or you can reach us at 888-567-5194.